are going to stop her at 10 a.m. today, which is 226 hours. But at the time of the 226 hours, no, there was some jollof on the fire that wasn't done. So she finished cooking the jollof and then she ended at 227 hours. Oh yeah. Now there's a lot of interesting things that happened throughout this whole Cookathon journey. Those who were saying they should have done it in Accra, shame on you. They did it in Tamale, and the Tamale people really supported and represented. I have the full gist for you. I'm the Headless YouTuber, this Headless Reactions. Alatiae, Yanko! So this Cookathon started on the 1st of January 2024 at the stroke of midnight. The time people were in church and they were singing and doing a countdown to the new year. No? As soon as the new year started, she started cooking. And today is the 10th day. She wanted to do 120 hours. They later said they'll do 240 hours. But at 227 hours, they ended it. They played the national anthem. And then a lot of soldiers were there to protect her and also to show her the last bit of love. Watch this video. She was in tears. I don't know whether it was tears of joy that she has come this far in the Cookathon or tears of sadness because she didn't achieve the 240 hours as she had intended to do and her husband just stopped it abruptly. But then she cried. People supported and before they even moved her to where she would go and rest. You know. A lot of tears, a lot of joy, a lot of laughter and drumming and dancing. Watch this video. A lot of people have supported. SDK was there, Vice President was there, Lodina Mahama was there, Asamajan and some footballers were there. A lot of people have gone there to support Kwabena, Yao Dabo. Almost everybody important in Ghana has been there, except me. Except me. Now the last minute people who went just in time before the end of the Cookathon. Number one, a certain man was riding a bicycle from Haman all the way to the north. That was he to his project that he wanted to do to support Chef Faila. So he rode his bicycle from Haman all the way to the northern region and it took him about 4 days to get there.
Dako. Min warma ni bil palchaba. Warma mbala. Zobo akata toswele. Njo kyarna dagbam. Padama kula hazo kajo. Ninyo ngona shem mino kyarna dagbam.
Another very interesting thing that happened at the Cookathon was this man called AAS Haman. This man from day one, he went to lay his mat over there, sitting down, because it's a Cookathon. They are cooking every time. So this man went to lay his mat. When it's time for prayers, he goes to pray and he comes back. They were serving him breakfast, lunch, supper, dessert, midnight, everything. They were serving him all the time. Anytime the food is ready, they serve him his own special.
Okay, good afternoon. My name is AAS Haman, a man or a boy from Tamale Warshai, and I've been here since day one to support Chef. Because of that, I went home and I brought my mattress, I brought my blanket, I brought my blue sheet can, and I brought everything here just to sleep here and support her. And since day one, I've been here supporting. And I promise to support her till everything is done. I'll continue to be here till tomorrow. I promise to go home tomorrow. And if anything, we are still here.
But now that the Cookathon has ended, no, Chairman has seen that for 10 days he was getting free food. Now it has ended. Chairman is crying. Watch this video. So that you be getting free food, eh? Shout out to AAS Haman. This man, he also made his name in this Cookathon. Now, when Hilda Baci was doing her Cookathon last year, there's one person that all Ghanaians were pushing her that please, if Hilda Baci is cooking it, then you can do it. And that person is Sweet Ajeli. Sweet Ajeli also posted that she is on her way to Tamale, and she got there right on time before the Cookathon ended.
So we made it. We've been here for about 3 hours. I'm so happy and thankful that we made it for the countdown. She's been gracious enough to serve us some jollof rice, and when I tell you, it is not disappointing.
Now the question on everybody's lips, now that the Cookathon is over, what's next? Please, there's an after party. So all those who have parked their motorbikes at the place, no, don't worry. After party is happening at Modern City Hotel, where they did the Cookathon. No? Tonight, Oja. Tonight is going to be Oja. So shout out to every everybody who has supported this Cookathon journey, everybody who made it to the north to go and support. Magra Heb was also there to support. Just a lot of people. If they had done it in a crash, would have gotten support. But the fact that they did it in Tamale and people flew from Accra and other parts of the world to Tamale to go and support shows you that yes, when a Ghanaian is doing something, the love is there to support the Ghanaian. And this is how we like it in the town. Oh, clap for yourself, clap for yourself. and to those who couldn't make it to Tamale and they were watching online, watching the videos, checking the live stream, checking news about the thing, you've also done well. Oh, clap for yourself, clap for yourself, clap for yourself. Now this is how it is, and this is how we like it. So Chef Faila, her husband and her team, they've ended the Cookathon at 227 hours. This one, if they do their deductions with, the dancing that she was dancing and all the times people entered and she had to pause to go and talk to them. If they take all those things out, let's just say they take 10 hours out. That means 217 hours. Nobody can beat that record this year. Nobody. Because this lady in Uganda, at this moment, her thing is doing me more, but now they have me more. And imagine, you stood on your feet to cook for 144 hours. You've gathered all the video evidence, sent it with your data to a Guinness World Record people. They are sitting down, waiting to validate you so that they'll give you your award. And before you realize, somebody has done 227 hours. Oh, Chef Faila didn't try. So Uganda sorry to all the Uganda people. But yes, Tamale, we do it better. And watch other videos on this channel. Tell somebody about Headless. Now the Cookathon is officially over. To everybody who supported, thank you. Shout out to her husband. Tonight, and yes, in the bedroom, it will be. That is why he ended the Cookathon. People are saying that, oh, so you just 10 days without your wife doing this thing, and you are stopping the Cookathon because you want small ta-ta-ta. Anyway, we shall see what will come out of this. Whether they'll give her the ambassadorial deals, or maybe they'll give her some trips outside Ghana or inside Ghana to go and relax. Whatever it is, any update, you get it on this channel. And I don't know. Yeah,